Ooh, so hot, so hot.
Hello everyone, I'm Dongpo Paul I'm at Hangzhou, Zhuxi. This year, the summer in the northern hemisphere is too hot to bear, and the temperatures in many countries have set a new record. Norway, 35 degrees Celsius. France, 40 degrees Celsius. New York, 38 degrees Celsius. India, 50 degrees Celsius. The Chinese refer to several big cities with the highest summer temperatures as fire stoves, and Hangzhou, where I am located, is one of the fire stoves. What if your girlfriend or best friend asks you out on such a hot summer day and you can't refuse? I recommend you to the following places: Antarctica, full of penguins, small towns in the Alps, Gold Coast of Australia. If you don't have enough time or budget, you can try traditional Chinese way. Avoid the heat. Above is 日, means sun, and below is 者, means a person. A man is walking under the sun. This word is to describe the summer heat. 避暑, literally translated into English, is to escape the heat of summer. Zhuxi, where I am going to today, is a good place to escape the heat. To avoid the heat, just escape to a cool place is not enough. We must try some refreshing Chinese food in such a beautiful natural environment. Mung bean soup is a soup boiled with mung beans and water. Chinese medicine believes that mung bean is sweet and cool, so it has the effect of relieving heat and detoxifying. Try it now. Does it look like cola? The ingredients of this herbal tea is very complicated. It is made from traditional Chinese herbal medicines such as licorice, Prunella vulgaris, honeysuckle, and chrysanthemum. It tastes sweet and cool. Let's try it. Don't underestimate this small bottle of liquid. It's one of the most hardcore summer heat escape magic for the Chinese. Do you have any exclusive tips on avoid the heat? Let's get cool and refreshing in the comment section.